Hello, 10th grade. Welcome to my class. Today we work according to the discourse sequence, okay? When you make one discourse sequence, okay, you take into account that all discourse sequence has a logical order, okay? In a test, you look at, for example, title, okay, it's very important. And there are three parts, okay, that you take into account. One, introduction. The introduction is the entrance, is an important part where build must be effective, interesting, and clear because this is the first impression of the reader. Okay, it usually goes from general to specific, the writer, okay? First make a general references to the theme and progressively this theme in narrow to a more precise and specific topic, okay? By another hand, you take into account the body. This part depends on the topic, okay, is the development of the paragraphs is may consist in some paragraphs, okay, properly organized. In this, we are controlling ideas for each paragraph. Okay, it tells the reader what the paragraph's about. The function is to explain, support, and defend, and expand what has been introduced in the topic sentence and are related to the thesis statement. This is called unit and coherence in writing, okay? Conclusion is the last part, okay? This is the last paragraph of a text. It's a good part of a text. This part has to be clear, logical, interesting, and effective, okay? I take into account that you look at, for example, that three parts are very important in a text, okay? But the idea is that you develop, okay, in a clear form, in expressive ideas, okay, with expressive ideas, and develop the text at the final, in conclusion, okay? Okay, I give you one example, okay? When you make a discourse, the sequence takes into account a logical order, okay? It's very important. In a text, you look at, for example, the title, okay? The introduction, you use, for example, logical connectors first. In the body, that's possible that you look at, for example, the logical connectors, then comma, okay? And the last part is a conclusion. That's possible that you use, for example, the logical connector last, okay? Okay, students. See you in next class. God bless you. Take care of you, your family, okay? And take into account these topics, these tips that I give you. Okay? Bye. See you in next class. God bless you.